Hey folks, today is Saturday, October 25th. I'm showing you guys something a little different. Got some German engineering here. Show you guys some Porsches here, starting with this beauty. Pretty nice, right? We are in Tustin, California. Hometown. Look at this oval window. Pretty sweet. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. It's a little different. Covering all the Porsches here. Beautiful Carrera 4S. I don't know what year this is. It's beautiful. Black. Can't be black, right? Beautiful Michelin tires. Michelin, if you're listening, I'd love to sponsor my channel. 55 Classics. This is something you don't see every day. What do you guys think? Pretty sweet, right? We got one in the wild over here. Check this out. Isn't that nice? This cool car right here, race car. Ready for racing right here? Anybody that loves Porsches, look at this. Look at that. Hey, where's the steering wheel? This thing's pretty sweet, man. What do you guys think? Porsche lovers? You guys approve? Want to be driving this every day? Pretty nice, right? Right next to the newer one. Look at these headlights. It's nice. It's pretty nice. GT3. Yeah, they got everything here. Newer ones, older ones. This one is for sale. 2014. 23,000 miles. Hopefully you guys get that. Oh, there's no phone number though. I don't know where the owner is, but anybody interested? Got a Lotus over here. It's not a Porsche, but still nice. Look at this engine. Pretty sweet, right?
I forgot to put the...
Oh yeah, I was gonna put it on my channel. I said, there's no phone number. How do they contact you if they're interested? There it is. Here, let me put it on there that way.
You can keep that one if you want.
All right.
I have like
Give them
5
a call.
of them for sale.
Got a bunch of these cars for sale. Give them a call, Jerry. It's a beautiful car.
GT2s, RSs,
Okay.
Turbo S, Turbo.
All right. Anybody interested? Give him a call. He says he's got a few. Thank you, sir. Let's get this other one here. I don't know what this is. Is this a Boxster? I don't know. Maybe you guys can tell me. Show you guys. This is a beautiful, like a root beer brown on this. It's really nice. I know it's newer, but wouldn't mind driving any one of these cars. TR6, huh? We got the Ferrari here. Oh, classic Ferrari. What do you guys think? Pretty nice. I just thought these vents were cool. California. Show you the color on this Porsche. It's a really nice gray. The sun's not out, so you can't see it, but look how it pops with that red interior. Ain't that nice? Look at that. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's a beautiful car. The front of this. Got another one over here. Out of the video. Got this Porsche Ranchero here. What do you guys think? This is Carrera Classic. 70s, 80s. Pretty sweet white. Look at that deep dish Porsche alloys. Nice. $1974. There it is. I was in the market. It's in 70s. It's a classic right here. Man, look at this interior. Porsches with that red interior, man. There's something else, right? Look at this M3. That's pretty nice. Simple but nice with that Hurst shifter. '50s. See what I'm talking about with that red interior? It's nice, right? These cool tail lights. Real nice tail lights. Carrera 2. That's nice. I'll go around and show you guys the Speedster over here. Look at the brakes on this car. Let me show you guys right now. It's a little crowded, but
yeah, he made me all the. He made me all the other levels.
So then I got to know. So now you spend 20 for no reason at all. Then you got to paint it. You can see that it's all, but when you get it, that hurts you.
But this one he comes with ceramic sometimes.
No, I love it that way.
I loved his personality, and I loved
You only see the leather when you like.
show you guys the brakes.
on the 2000 had a rim. But yeah, I was pretty excited.
What's the window ring for you?
Well,
it's funny because even Big Poppy said
this is beautiful. It's got a purse on this.
Yeah, but that was
Check it out. He's got the fast track sticker there, so you can go fast.
There's one like two.
Nice, right?
But all German? Yo, all German.
Otherwise, the players are going to go, he's out of here at 12.
So
I don't think it's very fair to the comments on social media. Fire Artie, that's all it says all the way down. But I go, I can't, I keep some of this.
What are you going to miss?
These kind of look like the other Porsche albums that I just showed you guys. Pretty sweet. Look at the color on this one. Wow. This is nice. Chocolate brown interior. This is nice.
I don't see me. Oh, maybe that's you.
That's you, yeah. But I think there's another photo here that's got you.
911. Yeah, this is a beautiful color. Of course, you can't beat silver. Carrera. The correct tires there. Pirellis. Got another Carrera here. Couple of American classics here. Super Sport El Camino, 396. Hanging out with the German boys over here. American classics. It's real nice. This is deep red. Wow, this thing pops. Super Sport Chevelle. Look at this. Z28 Camaro. 70s. Plain and simple. $350. All right, folks, nice little show. Just wanted to show you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.
So by doing a procedure, you just got yourself a year of your life back from all the other things.
All the way over the top rise, went down to like 52.
Didn't even down,